Hi, hello. So last class where we finished? We used to finish till the parts of KTurtle. What are the parts of KTurtle? What are the parts? Tell me. Menu bar, title bar, and toolbar, and three parts in the middle. That is, in the middle we have canvas. There you can see the turtle. And this side, right side, what is that? That is editor. You will give the comment in the editor. What is there in the left side? That is inspector, which will inspect your comments and your running program. So that are the three parts, and that of course at the last what is there? That is status bar. Now we are going to see how we can comment the computer. So how we can give comment to the computer with the KTurtle program. Okay, this is very easy command and you can understand very fast. This language is very easy to understand for mainly for the children. This language is made for understanding. So this command, we will give the command in the editor and the command will run in the canvas. How it run? When you are giving the command, you have to run the program. There you can see in the toolbox, run option will be there. With the help of run option, you can run the program and you can see how your program is running. Okay. So what are the commands are there? How we can comment the computer? Let's see. To run, you can see the toolbar have a run. In that you can click on the run, or you can click on F5 key. That is our function key. That is the shortcut key to run the program. So this is the command. What are the commands will be there? You want to move the KTurtle to the forward, you can give the forward command, backward command, and if you want to give the command on the right, left, up, down, all the commands you can give with the particular command to the computer. They have particular syntax for the command. With the help of that syntax only we can command our KTurtle. Okay, now we are going to see how and what are the commands we can give. In this class I am going to teach about the forward and backward command, left and right command. So what does a forward means? Forward means moving forward. What does backward means? Moving back. The turtle will move forward. The forward means the turtle will move up. That is called forward movement. Backward. What is the meaning of backward? Backward means the turtle will move down. That is the backward command. And if you want to turn the turtle, what? You can turn the turtle on left, right. But for that you have to give in the degree form. Let's see how we can give. So moving forward, how many steps the turtle want to move, that you have to decide. Who are doing the program, they have to decide how many steps the turtle want to move. For that we have to learn the syntax. Syntax is the sentence which command which giving to the computer. For the forward command we can give forward, space, and how many steps they want to move. You can type forward, space. You have to give the space, means with the help of space bar we will give the space and we will give the step. Or you can write the command FW. For the shortcut of forward is FW. You can give FW space, then you can give the steps 100 or 65, 85, how many steps. Let's see how we can give the step. Now I am giving the syntax FW space 100. Can you see that in that editor? I had typed FW 100. Now what we have to do? We have to run the program. So what we have to do? We have to click on the toolbar. Can you see that run button? You have to click on the run button. Now I click on the run button. Can you see that it's move 100 step. So this is what we called as an forward. Next one what is that? What is the syntax for the forward? Forward is forward space 100, or how many steps? 80, 90. What step you are willing to give, you can give that step. Next one is backward. What is backward? Backward means going back. So the turtle will move back. So how we will give the syntax? The syntax will be backward space, and you have to give the step, how many steps they have to move back. So what is this we can give? I'll give in the editor. You can see in the editor BW space 100. Now I move forward 100. Now I want to come back 100 step. Again I am giving the 100. Can you see at the same position the turtle has arrived. First it went to the 100 step and again it come back to the 100 step. This is moving forward and moving backward. Got it? Now I am giving the steps forward and backward. This is the syntax. You all remember the syntax? What is the syntax? Backward, space, and your step, how many steps you want to move. Next one, what we are going to study? We are going to study left and right, up and down, and left and right. What is the left? Left means turn left. Your turtle want to turn left only. Then if it turn left only, it will move forward. You have to turn the turtle. To turn the turtle, what you have to do? You have to find the degree. According to the degree only, it will move. You all know protector. In the compass box, we have an protector. You have 90 degree, 80 degree. According to that degree only, the turtle also will change. If you are giving a 90 degree, it will change according to, it will turn according to that. If you are giving 180 degree, according to that the turtle will move. So now I am going to turn the turtle. Now I am going to turn the turtle. For that, what I am going to do is, you want to understand how the turtle is moving or not. I am going to do, I will move the turtle forward 100. I will move the turtle from forward 100. Now it's moved to the FW space 100 I had given, and the turtle is moving. Can you see the turtle has moved? Now I am going to turn the turtle. Which side it is? It is going to move to the turn left. That is, it will move to the turn left. I am going to give TL. For the left, what is the syntax? You know, right and left. What are the syntax we have to give? The syntax for the right and left is, we have to give TL. TL means turn left. TR means turn right. So that is the syntax for left and right. So if I want to move the turtle to the left, what I have to give? TL or turn left. TL or turn left. Now if I give turn left space and the degree, 90, 180 or 70, which degree the turtle want to move, I will give that degree. For turning right, what is the syntax? Turn right space and the degree I will give. So that is the turtle move on which side we will decide. Okay, now I am going to give forward space 100, next TL 90. Okay, now I gave the degree. Now the turtle has moved. Shall we run the program? Yes, I run the program and the turtle has moved. Can you see that the turtle has moved, and this now it has moved only. Now it has turned only. If you want to move this turtle, what you have to give again? You have to give forward, or if you want to go back, you have to give backward. So I turned the turtle and I am giving forward again 100. Can you see? Again I am running, the turtle has moved to the 100. So this is what we call as running the program. Turn right and left. Do you understand? This is how we will run the program to the left or right. So like this we will move that how we will move the turtle? We will move the turtle to the forward, and we will move the turtle to the backward, or we will move the turtle to the left or to the right. Like this 4 steps we studied, 4 syntax we studied. You should remember this syntax. By this now you give the command to the computer, and the computer also understand this command, right? You are commenting your computer to go forward for 100 step, and to turn, and to right. Now I am giving the command wrong. Shall we see what will happen if we are giving the command wrong? Okay. Now I am giving the command FD 100 space 100. Shall we run and see? FD space 100 I am giving. I am running the program. Is anything is happening? No, it's showing error. That means that language computer is not understanding. So that is the meaning that computer will not understand. Computer will understand their own language. With that language, if we are commenting the computer, they will do our work. Okay. So this is the step for forward, backward, left and right. Okay. So I hope this class you all enjoyed, right? Is it enjoyable? You can enjoy this, no? You can move the turtle wherever you want. You can make the different type of shapes or different things you want to do. Everything you can do with the help of KTurtle. You can do the geometrical things here. You can do your mathematics here. All these languages are done here with the help of KTurtle program. This is easy for you to understand, no? So next class we will see further command, what are the commands are there, and what are the things we can do in the KTurtle. So till then, bye.